With a budget between 1.2 million and 1.3 million, can we still get a newly renovated freehold in a top-ranked school zone in Richmond Hill or Markham? Hi, my name is Priscilla. I'm your real estate broker in GTA. Today, I'll continue to show freehold townhouses and semi-detached to a couple from Montreal. They plan to move to the Greater Toronto areas to settle, but at the same time want to make a purchase with good future investment opportunities. Before looking at these properties, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss my weekly real estate knowledge sharing and some wonderful virtual tours. See you later. Let's take a look at this POTL townhouse. The layout of this unit is very typical to new townhouses. The first floor of this unit is half floor above ground. We walk up some stairs and we land in an open area. We have the family room on one end, the kitchen in the middle, and the living room on the other side. The side near the stairs is the living room. It's very bright. The ceiling is 10 feet tall. In the middle, we have the kitchen, one island with integrated sink. Cabinets are limited, but we have a lot of countertop area. Actually, we have plenty of cabinets and storage room. It's just that they are a bit high. The next area is very big. It's the family room. We can watch TV, put a sofa there, drink coffee, and have conversations. We can see through the window townhouses of our neighbors. It's very modern. The architecture is very square, lots of right angles. Next, we're going to the second floor. This type of new townhouses have very high ceiling, but we also have a lot of stairs to climb. Let's start from the right side. The ceiling is very high. Although the bedroom is not so big, about 75 square feet, there is a closet. The next bedroom is bigger, about 100 square feet. It's in the corner, so it has two very big windows. This is the common washroom of the second floor. It's very modern. The last bedroom is the master bedroom. It has a master washroom with two sinks, a very wide mirror, a bathtub, and a separate shower. It has a window too. We have a small walk-in closet. This bedroom is rectangular. We're in the corner, so we have two big windows. The area is very big. It's quite bright. We have a wardrobe as a stand-alone furniture. It's a bit unusual that it's not built-in. Let's have a look from this angle. We can see that there is a terrace. No, actually it's just a Juliet window. We can open the window, but we cannot step out. Let's look at the basement in the end. The basement is finished. This is not a walkout basement. The basement is above grade. We can clearly see that we're higher than the ground. This room is at the corner. It's very bright. It looks like there's no washroom. However, there is a laundry room with a washer and dryer. This is the end of today's video. If you are interested in any property type, neighborhood, or price range, please feel welcome to talk to me. I'll be more than happy to arrange showings or take virtual tour videos for you. My service is 100% free. See you in next video.